The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Chicken mince preparation. Take the food processor. Add 500 grams boneless chicken. Grind it well. Half cup fried onion, recipe in the description box. 3 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Half a tablespoon salt. 2 teaspoons cumin powder. 2 teaspoons chili flakes. 2 teaspoons crushed coriander. 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs. 1 tablespoon thick curd. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons chopped green chili. Grind well. Shape it into a ball, then use a straw to make a hole. Heat the oil. Fry from both the sides till it turns golden brown. Garnish with onion, tomato and mint. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.